Hello. Man, I haven't done any code stuff in VS Code in a long time. Long time. How do I open WSL files? Developing in Windows Subsystem Linux. Mount C. Open a remote folder. Navigate to the folder you'd like to open in VS Code, like Mount C. Now type code dot in the terminal. You should see VS Code fetching the components needed. Okay. So it comes with built-in magic. Oh, look. Look. That's cool. Did you guys know about this? I didn't know that it added this Linux thing here. Well, that solves all the problems already. It's already right here, and it's even got a little tux. Who's behind this? Jeremy, did you have something to do with this? Our favorite Microsoft developer. Somebody smart was doing it. I had to install WSL because error. Unable to open search tool. Unable to read the file. But it's right there. This. Yeah, open anyway. Okay. TypeScript language immediately crashed. Now, why did that happen? Hey. Python. Well, maybe later. There's a little bugalow in here, guys. Can I make like a constants thing? I guess that it doesn't really matter. It's kind of denoted inside of the... It's kind of denoted, is it not? Okay, well, first of all, I was wondering if it was just that the JSON is malformatted, because that could be possible. Duplicate NPC. Invalid. Query length. Anonymous. Get expected quantity. Drag is like drag. Ah, okay, this makes sense. So there's something within the black dragon. Invalid array length. So the tool is working correctly. It's just that there's a fucked up thing inside of the dragon. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, let's look at /npc configs drop tables.json. Great job, Mr. Crop. Put this in a new folder. We'll call this drop table test. Hello, Mr. Quib. We are looking for IDs. It's like Black Dragon. But who is Black Dragon's ID? Well, I guess let's think here. What is an item that Black Dragons would drop? I'm gonna say Black Dragon Hide. Now that is a good thought that I've had. So this way I can go here to the item sources. Black Dragon Hide, okay. And then we can use this ID. Find this guy in here. There we are. Here's the dragons. 50 and 2642. Oh no, those are King Black Dragons, okay. I chose the only ones that weren't good. 54 is the one. How about this guy? That looks like a unique one. Here they are. Okay. Perfecto. Charm. Min amount. Max amount. JSON viewer. Bum. Default 0, 1. Charm. That is interesting. Are you telling me he has no main drop table? I'm seeing some things that look like they would be in the main drop table. Default. Here's default. Here's main. Maybe this JSON viewer is not good. Because where is this? All of these keys here. Where are all of these keys here? JSON viewer. JSON. Unexpected end of file. Does it tell me where the line is? What is line? Oh, I didn't wrap it either. Okay. Line 2, column 6. These are looking good. What is it mad about? Hello? Oh, you can trust this site. Look, you know a website is good when it looks good and it gives you a nice placeholder text. You already know that this is the best website that there is. And look, auto repair. One click. JSON editor. Aha. Okay, now let me view it. In a tree navigation bar. Copy. Dude, the guy that made this is a genius. What the fuck? How come I'm not this smart? Okay, these are main. These are default. These are things that he drops every time. These are things that he drops sometimes. Okay. So what does it have a problem with? Or is it just that it has a malformed thing? Because that is a possibility. That is a possibility. Expected end of input at 161. Aha. That's the problem. It was a hand-edited JSON mistake. Clearly. This should not be here. Let's double check with this one. No, that's how it's supposed to be. Default. Yeah, it's fine. Do you think it can load the whole big file? I don't think so. It's too big. He'll never be able to do it. No, he's happy with it. He loaded 60,000 lines, dude. What is line? That's crazy, bro. Alright, let's add a debug to the search tool. Search tool. We have the problem that we're fixing right now is that you can search for the item known as, or the enemy known as a black dragon, like this. But it says invalid array length, and where is the black dragon at? I only see king black dragon. Invalid array length at search tool JS234. So have a look here. Expected quantity. Quantity for item. This dot item ID. Probably. I think. Range dot reduce, this dot rarity. Okay, it must be. It must be fine. Ah, here's the constructor. This dot ID. This dot ID. We'll have to see what the real problem is. Syntax problem. Console.log. Syntax errors. 234. Console.log. Capital C? Is that the problem? That the problem? That's him. Attempting to get quantity for item 556. 556 is the error. Who is 556? And what has he done with you? ID 556. Wait, 1.0. Min amount is greater than the max amount? Is that the problem? That seems like an issue. That looks like an issue to me. This dot min amount is greater than this dot max amount. Console.log. There is a malformed value for min amount. Yeah. Look at this. Error with item ID. Oh. The juice. Are you saying that this, the D story, the story of the D story strikes again? The classic D story. Dragon Impling. Baby Black Dragon. Black Dragon. Aha! Well, we found the bug. And 556 is just air runes. Dun 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 dun. I wonder if that logic fucks anything else up. And if there's any other guys like that. Myth. Zombie. Dragon. Skeleton. Nope. Imp. Steel. Mage. No other red error logs in the mix. Everybody looks good. Okay. Mega coffee. It's a mega vanilla latte today. Into. Put on the Ubuntu mode. Turn it on. CMD was started with the above path in the current directory. Alright. Open WSL terminal. Mr. Crib says, I had homebrew today. I did a little AeroPress with some sweetened condensed milk. Mmm. Enable feature. Maybe PowerShell will tell us. Ubuntu. Error. WSL shutdown. Okay. Restart. LXSS Manager. I think it's booting. It looks better than it did before. I like it better than when it was doing nothing. Ubuntu. Hello? Permission denied or something. Get service. Cannot find any service. LXSS Manager. What's it called? Boo. This guy knows. Tonglu. 정로 또는 세부 ting 제부 덩하게 I don't think that this works. This service is not going good for me. Oops. Stopped. Version 2. Boot up specific distro. Boot up the distro marked with default. Okay. I think it's broken. Mom, I think it's broken. It's fucked. Well, we solved it in one try, so it really was not that much of a big deal. Let's do a quick one more try. Service name is invalid. You can now use a WSL reboot. No, you can't. Oh, they added an alias. Alias history is equal to... Okay, well, just run this. Doesn't work, though. You try and use this new tech, it's just no good. It's like John Blow says, you know? You know this... Listen, you know this terminal's gonna suck. Everyone's asking me about the new Windows terminal. Listen, you already know it's gonna suck. He's right. That's me with every Microsoft product now. Bro, aren't you hyped for the new features in Windows 11? Listen, you know this is gonna suck. You already know. It's gonna suck, man. Alright, I think I'll be right back. I think that this requires a Windows reboot. I'll be back in a minute. BRB.